Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning into today's video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and if you're not, welcome back. I'm glad to have you for another video. So as you guys know, I have been rocking kinky curly tape-ins for the last 3 months, and it is finally time for me to take these out of my head. They have officially run their course and my hair is looking really lopsided. So I only had about 6 tape-ins left, and I didn't feel the need to book an appointment. I thought, why don't I just slap some conditioner in it and see what happens? And luckily it went pretty darn well. So I'm going to walk you through this DIY process of how to take out your tape-ins at home. Now, if your tape-ins are fresh, I would not advise doing this. I would advise you booking an appointment with your hairstylist to have your tape-ins properly removed. But if your tape-ins are on their last leg and they already look a little bit shaky and loose, then this method should work just fine at home using conditioner to remove your tape-ins. So it is wash day, and before I get into shampooing and conditioning my hair, first I'm going to detangle and make sure that I thoroughly comb out all of the curls and kinks that are in my hair. It's really important to detangle, you guys, especially having tape-ins, so that none of your real hair gets knotted or wrapped up in the tape-ins. So right now I'm using Cara's cocoa water just to add a little bit of moisture to my hair and help me easily detangle before I start the shampoo process. As you can see, some of the tape-ins were so loose that they didn't even need conditioner. Just detangling alone was able to get some of the tape-ins out. So I am working through my hair with a wide tooth comb, making sure I get out all of the kinks and knots, because when I shampoo, I do not want to have to do excessive work. I want to make this an easy process and to make sure that I preserve all of my hair when taking out these tape-ins. So if you're unfamiliar with tape-ins, you're not supposed to put conditioner above the adhesive line, otherwise your tape-ins will slide out. So I figured since I only had 6 left, why don't I slap conditioner all over the adhesive line and basically do a DIY video showing you how to take them out at home. So you can clearly see the tape-in hair texture versus my hair texture and the ones that are still left to come out. I used Hawaiian Silky's 14-in-1 Miracle Worker shampoo to wash my hair. Here's an even better shot of the difference between my real hair and the tape-in hair. These are the 2 different hair masks that I will be using to help remove my tape-ins and deep condition my hair. As I previously stated, you cannot put conditioner on the adhesive line, so my scalp has not been conditioned in 3 months. So I went ahead and just used 2 different masks that I thought would put back the hydration in my hair and easily slip out the tape-ins. As you see, that tape-in slid right on out. After each tape-in slid out, I made sure to thoroughly detangle, getting all the adhesive off my strands and making sure it rinses out when I rinse the conditioner. So this tape-in was a little bit more difficult, but all I had to do was let it deep condition for a bit, and then I decided to detangle through the section again, and it ended up sliding right on out. So after having these tape-ins in for 3 months and finally taking them out, I did not see any changes or damage to my hair. My hair is literally exactly the same as when I got the tape-ins from before. It is a little bit shorter because I did get a really good trim when I got the tape-ins installed, but that is the only difference. My hair is still exactly the same, texture-wise, length-wise, health-wise, nothing has changed. So I really enjoyed having the tape-ins in. It did give me extra length, extra body, and they will be missed, but I am on to the next style and ready to create some great content. So thank you guys for tuning into this video. I hope this helps you get your tape-ins out at home. If you have any questions, make sure to drop them down below and I'll be sure to answer. Once again, thank you guys for tuning in and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.